Hi, it's Natasha Pearson here. Welcome to my Beauty Confession series. Today's one is our rose gold tutorial. First up is the Unique primer. This primer is amazing. It's long lasting, it makes the colour pop and it makes it smudge proof too. If you want your lashes to look super hot later on when you put your mascara on, make sure you curl them and comb them before you put your mascara on. This is our amazing Addiction Palette 1. I am using Elated as that's the perfect base colour. It's very buildable and very natural. This is our amazing refillable customizable palette with 4 shades. We have Lively, Witty, Slick and Optimistic. Here I'm using the Witty shade for the crease and the outer edge of the eye, gently and lightly. So I'm now building up the Witty shade to make it a darker looking colour. Also taking it into the inner corner of the eye. Now it's going to get really fun because we're going to build up the colour using the Lively shade to make the colour pop a little bit more. Keep building up the colour until you get it as dark as you want it. Okay, get your blending brush and start blending the colours around your eye, making sure that you rock it backwards and forwards by the crease of your eye and around the outer edge of your eye. Here I'm using the liquid foundation for the cut crease technique. This gives it a really sharp look on your eyelid. I'm now using the Slick Shimmer Rose for the centre of the eye. And if you use it damp, it gives a more intense shade. Finally, in the very centre of the eyelid, I'm using Optimistic Metallic Ivory. This really gives the glow of the rose gold. A final shot of colour of Lively and the final bit of blending to make sure it looks really smooth and a lovely finish. For a really gorgeous finish, put some Optimistic on the inner corner of your eye and on your brow bone. This is our Unique Dip and Draw liquid eyeliner. It's the most amazing eyeliner I have ever tried. It lasts all day and it glides on so smooth with absolute precision. This is our one and only Epic mascara that gives you super long lashes. It curls your lashes perfectly. I couldn't be without this mascara. It's every makeup must have. And to finish off the rose gold eye look, you have to have a nude lip. This Splash Sublime colour is the perfect shade to go with rose gold eyes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and pop over to my website www.sassy-dolls.co.uk.